I am on the Summerlin Trails in the western Las Vegas suburbs, and I'll call this video not quite macro. I have my Canon lens 18 to 150 millimeters, and the advantage of this, it has a quite short minimum focusing distance. I'm going to say 18 inches, but I'll put it on the screen later. So try to get some floral pictures and see what kind of bokeh we can get. Lens doesn't open up that wide, but I've had some decent results with it before. So here we go, see what happens. So in conclusion, I was relatively happy with the results considering the easy setup, just the lens shooting many times at 150 millimeters, just handheld, autofocus worked fine, able to get some close shots, some interesting backgrounds. Just for sake of comparison, I went out the next day with this macro tube setup. It's actually 3 different tubes, and I had the smallest one on there, and just attaches to your camera and then to the lens and just creates a macro setup. These are about $20 or $25 online. So I'll post all those results at the end, and I'm always happy to know what you think. Thanks for watching.